Hello friends of YouTube, welcome back with a new unboxing video. In this video I will unbox my new gaming motherboard from Gigabyte, which is the Aorus Z390, and I have bought this recently. I'm not sure if you know, but if you have checked my Twitter or my Instagram, you have seen that I have uploaded some photos with some parts, some components from a PC. I'm building a new PC, guys, so that you should know. Stay tuned if you want to see what PC I'm gonna build. It will be a very good one, and I buying the pieces slowly because I don't want to waste a lot of money very fast. Anyway, I wait for the best offers so that I can buy my parts. This here was usually in 175 euros or 180. I found it in a very good price, like 145 euros, so I bought it right away. Anyway, let's go see with the unboxing and what's inside here. So this is our box of motherboard, Gigabyte here, Aorus Z390, our chipset. Anyway, you have to know a few things before you go and buy a motherboard. It should be a gaming PC or a PC for normal using, stuff like that. But anyway, I don't want to waste a lot of your time. I'm here for an unboxing. I will make another video explaining details about how to build a PC and what components you have to buy. Anyway, I will say these things fast. You have to check if your motherboard is compatible with your case. In my case, it's an ITX motherboard. This is the size of the motherboard to be compatible with my tower, which is a small tower. And the second thing is the CPU. In my case, I will buy a i9 from Intel, and this CPU that I want supports LG, you see here, LG A1151, the socket. And the last thing you have to know is about your RAM. If you already buy a RAM, you have to check for the speeds, and if it's a DDR4 or it's DDR3. Most of the RAMs these days are DDR4, like mine's over here. And yeah, that's pretty much what you have to know if it's compatible. Anyway, this baby here, as you can see, it's ready to play with 8th and 9th generation Intel core processor. It says it's right down here. I'm not sure if you can see. See guys, 9th and 8th gen core processor. If you look for a good motherboard for an ITX, this is a very good option. It has also RGB lights if you are a fan from lighting and stuff like that. It comes with a Wi-Fi and all the best technology. Anyway, let's open this baby because I can't wait anymore. Usually packaged, we have our motherboard here in a static bag. Let's put this aside and see if we have anything else. Yeah, we have the bracket here for our case, the antenna for the Wi-Fi, you see here, a SATA cable, another cable here, a sticker, some screws, manual, Z390 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. Anyway, usual stuff. A DVD here with the drivers. Installation guide. Let's take this here on the side. Okay, Okay, it's small, but it's very beautiful and very heavy. These here are metallic. As you can see, it supports M2 memory. This is our socket for LG 1151. Very nice. Yep. This is perfect and matches with my case color. Very nice. So that was the unboxing for my new motherboard. I hope you liked it, guys. I think that somebody wants to buy maybe this and to see what's inside, because I searched for unboxing and I couldn't find something for the ITX at least model. So yeah, that was the unboxing of my new motherboard. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye guys.